Alright, welcome back, vagabonds. I am still here in Lisbon, Portugal, and I figured since I'm out here at night, I figured I'd show you kind of some of the sights at night just to kind of give you a different view. So let's go ahead and walk. When you are here in Lisbon, you want to come up to the Barrio Alto area, and there's plenty of places to like pop in, get something to eat, go to a bar, listen to some music. So there's plenty of stuff that you can do all night long. Most of the places will close down about 6 o'clock in the morning, which is a little bit unique for some of the places in the United States. So it's kind of cool to like be able to party all night if you wanted to. So I'll just kind of show you around a little bit more and see what we can find. I know that this video is probably going to be pretty short. Also, like, you kind of have to balance your life, like when you're doing these vlogs. So kind of looking at things of like providing you enough information to kind of go on your own journey, but also to go on my own journey and separate that from here. So one of the things that, if you don't know what you want to do, one of the things to look at is meetup.com. It's a great place to find like-minded people. There's tech people here. Right now it's a web segment, so there's all kinds of things to do tech-related after dark with like-minded people. So going out and enjoying things with people that are doing things in life that are similar is really fun, especially on an international scale. I got a taxi right here, so it's just kind of keeping it real. So like got like the web summits having the similar things, and I'll see like what else I can kind of show you. One of the things that I might do is kind of just show you what some of these other sites look like after dark. So maybe let's go ahead and do that really quick. Alright, so I think this is where I'm going to sign off. It doesn't have the best lighting, but it looks absolutely gorgeous back there, doesn't it? You can see São Jorge Castle, or Castle de São Jorge. The Say's back there, that's lit up. So there's a lot of stuff that's lit up in the evening, dark time. So it's kind of neat to see things from a different perspective without light. So when you are going out in Lisbon, it is fairly safe, but keep your possessions on you and normal safety precautions. Just don't do stuff that's stupid. Just kind of be mindful of your surroundings, as is anything that you're going out. Don't drink too much. Pay attention to what's going, and keep yourself safe. And overall, it'll be a really good time at night. Man, it's absolutely gorgeous back there. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it's short, but I was trying to at least give you a little bit of a taste of something that's maybe a little bit different. All right, until next time, hope that you like this one. Hit the subscribe if you haven't yet. And until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Até amanhã.